Implementing the blue ocean strategy requires which of the following? The first paragraph mentions that the blue ocean strategy means not concentrating on beating the competitors, but enabling the company to open up whole new uncontested marketplace. So we need an answer choice which suggests creating a marketplace with no competition. Let's look at the answer choices in that context. Optimizing costs. In the context of the blue ocean strategy, the passage doesn't mention costs. Also, the third paragraph mentions that low costs is a sustainable strategy, whereas blue ocean strategy is not sustainable. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, ignoring short-term market opportunities. The first paragraph mentions that blue ocean strategy requires companies to open up a whole new uncontested marketplace. So opening new marketplaces. Also, the second paragraph mentions that the strategy cannot be a long-term strategy. So overall, it can be inferred that opening an uncontested marketplace is a short-term opportunity. So it is incorrect to state that blue ocean strategy ignores short-term market opportunities. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice C, a clear differentiating factor. In the context of the blue ocean strategy, the passage doesn't mention differentiation factors. Also, the third paragraph mentions that high differentiation is a sustainable strategy, whereas blue ocean strategy is not sustainable. So it is incorrect to state that the blue ocean strategy requires clear differentiation. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, a distinct segment in the market. The third paragraph mentions that crafting a niche is a sustainable strategy, whereas the second paragraph mentions that the blue ocean strategy is not sustainable. So it is incorrect to state that blue ocean strategy requires focusing on a distinct segment. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, serving markets with no competition. Yes, this is what the first paragraph refers to when it says that the strategy requires companies to open up a whole new uncontested market space. E is the correct answer.